Hello, and welcome to our topic, Factors Affecting Solubility. In this topic, we will discuss the three factors that affect solubility. The first factor we have is temperature. How does temperature affect solubility? Previously, I presented to you a solubility table. In that solubility table, we saw that there are different corresponding solubilities for different temperatures. And according to that observation, we can see that temperature is directly proportional to our solubility. This would suggest that as temperature increases, our solubility will also increase. The second one we have is pressure. For pressure, it can only affect our gaseous solutions or our gaseous solutes or gaseous solvents. When we are talking about gas, our pressure is directly proportional to our solubility. But for liquids and solids, pressure will not have an effect on their solubility. And number three, we have is polarity or the characteristic of our solute and solvent. For the characteristics of our solute and solvent, we know that only polar solvents can dissolve polar solutes, and only non-polar solvents can dissolve non-polar solutes. Thus, we can say that polar solvents cannot dissolve non-polar solutes. Again, the factors affecting solubility are temperature, pressure, and polarity. Let's use this activity to enhance your understanding on these factors. On your first column, we have here a pair of solute and solvent. And once it is exposed to a stimuli, identify what will be the effect on its solubility. Will it increase, decrease, or nothing happens? I am giving you 1 minute to answer this activity. So let's start answering this one together. For our first solute-solvent pair, we have salt and water. What will happen to its solubility once we increase its pressure? For number one, it will be nothing happens. Why? Because pressure can only affect gases. Just like in number two, we have a carbon dioxide and water pair. Once we decrease its pressure, the solubility will also decrease. How about for number three? We have a sugar oil pair. What will happen if we increase its temperature? Will our solubility increase, decrease, or nothing happens? For this question, the answer is nothing happens. Why? Because your sugar is a polar solute while your oil is a non-polar solvent. Na-try nyo na bang magprito ng um, minatamis na saging? 'Di ba ang nangyayari lamang ay natutunaw ang asukal, pero hindi ito humahalo sa mantika. And that is one of the examples on how increasing the temperature to your sugar oil pair will happen. So nothing happens basically. And finally, for our methanol water pair, if we decrease the temperature, our solubility will also decrease. And that ends our lesson on the factors that affects solubility. See you in the next video.